Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on and off Mili MiTag. And to do this, here I have the device, and believe it or not, there's a button right here, and to power it on you'll need to simply tap on it once. It should make a sound like this. And now to power it off, you'll need to hold the same button for 5 seconds. And you'll also hear a double beep, and that means it's off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.